at 5. News from where you live.
Well, these are official National Weather Service projected crests on area rivers. These crests are going to be late Sunday right to late Tuesday. And on the Wabash River from Buck Creek all the way back towards Covington, crest of 7 to 9 feet above flood stage. That's as high as moderate flood level. That's projected for the greater Lafayette area, right at Bank Full here at Logansport and a foot above flood stage at Peru. Now on the Iroquois, as much as 6 feet above flood stage. Some of this is going to be high-end moderate flooding to near major flooding from Rensselaer through Forsman all the way back through eastern Iroquois and Kankakee counties. Up here on the Kankakee River, up to 2 feet above flood stage. That's a moderate flood, which is the red shade there. We go to the Tippecanoe River, up to a foot above flood stage, minor to moderate flooding expected, and right at flood stage at the Oakdale Dam near Delphi. And finally, on the Eel, just to the west of Manchester, about 4 feet above flood stage, which would be a solid moderate flood. But we've got to watch and see where the heaviest rainfall bands set up, because notice all the feeder creeks that go into the Wabash. The Wabash is here, but if we're really going to see a major rise in the Wabash and Lafayette and Delphi, it's going to be from heavy rain down here, southern Carroll, Howard, southern Miami County. If we see a big rise in the Tippecanoe, we need to see very heavy rain up here. And then if we're going to see a big rise around Attica and Covington, we need to get a lot of rain right in this area, west of Monticello and around Fowler. Now, rainfall-wise, this is up to 1:30. This is 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. This is by 10 o'clock tomorrow morning. And finally, additional rainfall from what we've already had. Good solid 2 to 3.5 inches expected. The rains crank up tonight, rain, even some thunderstorms. This could have an isolated severe storm or two in it early tomorrow morning. This is 6 a.m., there's 7. Still solid rain at 10 o'clock, rainy through the day tomorrow. But notice the cold air coming in. This is a little freezing rain and sleet in our northwest counties by tomorrow evening and into tomorrow night. May end as a little light snow with strong winds as well. If there's any very minor accumulation, the best chance is going to be right here over our northwestern counties. Nice and warm tonight, 50s, even a few low 60s in the southeast. But here comes the cold air coming in, and temperatures will be falling tomorrow. And by tomorrow evening, there's the freezing line right through Benton down into Warren and also northwest White counties, headed into the 20s tomorrow night. Some howling winds at times tonight, and some of these gusts will be with that line of storms coming in from the west. Winds diminish a little bit tomorrow, but then they crank back up tomorrow night as winds blow from the north and northeast around our system. Then some rain to snow on Wednesday. Bitterly cold air comes in on Thursday, and once we get the bitterly cold air in by next Friday and Saturday, this is something we're going to have to watch. This would be sleet and freezing rain. The blue would be snow. This would be Friday and then right into Saturday of next weekend. So we're going to go from spring and flooding to all-out winter. 7-day forecast, falling temperatures tomorrow, 36 Sunday, up to 55 Tuesday, but then we tank to a high of 19 on Thursday, single digits Thursday night, and then we've got to watch late Friday and right through Saturday of next week with the potential of some ice and snow ahead. So active forecast, and you know, for good measure, the risk of even an isolated severe storm, main threat wind early tomorrow morning.
Okay, Chad, very good. We'll get the latest look at that.